What's up, guys? You know it's Boss Up 34. We on a new vlog today, man. Having a great day, man. You know how it is, man. All day about to give this boy a wash, you know. This dirty beast. About to give him a wash. Dirty. And as you can see, all day, man. Was in the snow all day today. All day in the New York in the snow, dirty as hell. It's the day to day. No joke. All day, bro. All day. Back at it again, man. It's a bright and nice day. We're about to get a mid-muffler delete, guys, today. Mid-muffler delete, y'all gonna hear the sound, the differences of the sound. Alright? So until comment below and let me know if I'm supposed to get the resonator delete tool and the mid muffler or only the mid muffler. Comment down below and let me know. And when I'm about to get a wash right now, when I get a wash, man, I'm going to Brooklyn or probably Queens to one of my boys to get the mid muffler delete. So y'all stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys. Just been washed. You know the vibes. Just been washing clean. You know how it is. You know what to do. Back at it again. Clean and fresh. You already know. Big boy Hondo.
That's a mean looking car, man.
Hear what's going on, man. It ain't no plain thing, man. We're about to go get this muffler delete. Remember I told you guys, let me know, man. Resonator delete and muffler delete are only muffler. It's not naive, man. Listen to that naiveness. No joke. Told you about to be on the way to go get this resonator or muffler delete, guys. So you already know. Boss Up 34. Like and subscribe, guys. You know the vibes. Got a lot of content for y'all. All right. Yeah, man. We're about to head out now to do the right thing. Tire sliding. You know we got the big boy. Gotta turn it off. Cause right now that make your tires chip, boy. To the B to the K to do the right thing. Muffler delete or resonator or both. Come in. Comment down below and let me know, guys, man. I already know. Sorry for the window. Window was down. Wanted to hear that sound, man. Comment down below and let me know. On our way right now. Be back at you when we reach, okay? Yes, guys, it's the regular. About to get guys, muffler right now. We're here at the tire shop. I'm Mexicano. We're gonna do this for me. You already know. I told you, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Yeah, we're gonna do it. So after that, now you're gonna hear how it sounds with the mid muffler deleted. Yeah. It's gonna be more beef and broccoli. Yeah. All day, man. We're out here. Shots. You already know, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. A whole lot of content coming. Yeah. See all that. Like, share, and subscribe. Have to be done to these cars, man. Alright. That's the cheap mod. Cheap mod. You already know. It's already gone now. We're gonna get the pipe. Pipe to put under there. Straight pipe. These, they'll make the perfect sound. Scoop. Yeah, boy. Out and about. Big mufflers out, guys. Now we're gonna hear the sound. We're gonna hear the sound a bit. We're gonna hear the sound a bit right now. You already know. Now you're gonna hear the beauty on the beast. You're gonna hear that startup. Start up right now. That heavy drill charge. That heavy set girl charge, man. Goodness. So thirsty. Oh my gosh. You already know, man. Like, share, and subscribe, man. That's the date to date. You already know how we do this, man. All day. That's just all the mean right now is up. That's a must done mod to the Dodge truck. Alright? 6.4. Leader. Yeah. The hell Kizzy. Yeah. all that. You already know, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Do the right thing, guys. Alright. Boss Up 34, man. Thank you for watching this video, man. Let's continue to do the good stuff. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the like button down below. Comment down below too. Okay? Do all that goodies. Me out.